Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use the 3D render effect on Higgsfield here. So this basically allows you to make render your image to make it to be 3D. So this is an example of the image that was created, that was uploaded, and this is a video that was created. I mean, this is really crazy and next level. So all you have to do to create something like this is simple. Just go to higgsfield.ai, scroll and choose the app section after signing up or signing in. Click on 3D figure. So once you've clicked on 3D figure, you'll be brought to a page like this. Upload your image. If you want an image of the effect, you can just leave it at the image section. But if you want a video similar to what we have, select videos and then click on generate, and then in the next few minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, your video should be ready for download. And this is if you're using the free account, because if you're using a paid account, it will be a whole lot shorter. So it says here that your request will cost 15 credits. This is no issue because Higgsfield already allows you to create at least one free video effects per day when you're using the free account, and two once you sign up. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe to our channel and let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. Thank you very much and do have a great day, guys.